or D minus. Let me bring in Diana Gichengu really fast there. And Diana, they say there's a plan. At least when you talk about fertilizer, subsidized fertilizer, it's there. They're saying that eventually will lower the cost of living. Aren't you convinced that there is a plan in place and they just need a bit more time before you give your rating?
Is there a plan? Was there ever a plan? Unfortunately, this government was able to articulate that there was a plan. But everything that has happened in the first year moves away from anybody who had trusted that there was a plan. Because what was projected around agriculture, around financial inclusion, around the plan was women 50-50. The cabinet studio has all men right now. They are struggling to get the women who will make it 50-50. Where is the plan? The plan was abstract. It has now remained, it is now vague. Maybe it's being recreated. There was no plan. Either that or the reality that they found within government was a huge shocker that then they set aside the plan. And I think it's time they acknowledged that and recreated a plan with all Kenyans afresh. That will be something that we would believe, but I'm not sure. I'm actually waiting for Mzalendo to tell us where we are at, where there seems to be hope. But from where I sit, the plan has been vacated.
And your score would be a what?
In line with the new higher education guidelines, we would keep it at a D.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's cross over back to Ayub and get some answers from there. Ayub?